Hello students, we continue with lesson number 3, H.C.F and L.C.M. In today's class, we are going to study the L.C.M or the least common multiple. The least common multiple or L.C.M of two numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of both. You had learned a method in your previous class to find the LCM of numbers. Let's revise that. I've taken an example. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. For that, first you write the multiples of 8. You know the table of 8, so you know how to write the multiples of 8. These are the multiples of 8. Now you write the multiples of 12. These are the multiples of 12. Now take out the common multiples. Here if you see 24 is common to both and 48 is also common to both. So 24, 48. If you write more multiples, you will find more common multiples. And the lowest or the least among these common multiples is 24. So you can say LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now today we are going to study the prime factor method to find the LCM of numbers. We have studied how to write the factors, and so today we are going to use that prime factor method to find the LCM. Let's try the same example. First let's write the prime factors of 8. 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 6, which again can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. If you see 2 occurs maximum 3 times over here and 3 occurs once. For writing the LCM, what we have to do? You have to write 2 how many times? 3 times, and 3 how many times? 1 time. So LCM will be the product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3, which is 24. So if you see, we have got the same LCM in the previous case also and in this case also. So this is the prime factor method to find the LCM. Now let's try another example. Example number 2. Find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. Again, let's do the same thing. Let's write the prime factors of all the numbers. 18 is 2 multiplied by 9. That means it is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now 30. 30 can be written as 2 multiplied by 15. Which again can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 50 can be written as 2 multiplied by 25, which again can be factorized as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now you will see that 2 occurs once in all the numbers, 3 occurs maximum twice in the factors of 18, and 5 occurs maximum twice in the factor of 50. So your LCM will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. When you multiply this, you will get 450, which means that the LCM is 450. Now let's see the vertical arrangement to find the LCM of numbers. This will be an easy method for finding the LCM. In this arrangement, we'll write the numbers here, 16, 28 and 40. Now you see that all are even numbers, so let's divide by 2. So you get like this, again they are even, so divide by 2, 4, 7, 10. Now if you see, there are no common factors, but 4 and 10 are again divisible by 2. So you can continue the division. 2 times, 7, 5 times. Again 2, 1 time. If it is not divisible, you write the number as it is. Now the next smallest prime number is 1. So 1 time 7 time, 1 time. Now divide by 7, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. You continue the division till you get 1 as the remainder. Now your LCM will be the product of all this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. The answer is 560. Now let's move on to practice set number 13. The question is find the LCM. The first question here is 12 and 15. Let's write the factors of 12. 12 is 2 multiplied by 6. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. If you see, 3 occurs once in both. 2 occurs a maximum of 2 times and 5 occurs once. So you can write the LCM as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So the answer is 60. Now let's see bit number 3. The question is 18 and 32. This let's do by the vertical arrangement. 18 and 32 both are even numbers, so let's divide by 2. So you get 9 and 16. Now only 16 is an even number, so you divide again by 2. Write 9 as it is. 2 8 times is 16. Again 8 is divisible by 2. Write 9 as it is. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 times 2 9 will be as it is, and 2 1 time. Now you will factorize 9. 3 times is 9. This one will come down as 1. Again 3 1 time, 1 time. You will continue the division till you get 1 over here. So the LCM will be the product of all this. This gives you the answer as 288. The seventh question, 12, 15, 45. Let's do this by the vertical arrangement. 12, 15, 45. Only one number is even, so let's start with that. 2 6 times, 15 and 45. Again 2 3 times 6, 15 and 45 not divisible, so you write it as it is. Now all the three numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 1 time, 5 times and 15 times. Again 15 is divisible by 3, so 3 5 times, 5 times. Now these two are only left, that is divisible by 5, so you get 1 1 1. So the LCM is the product of this. The answer is 180. Your homework for today is practice set number 13, question number 1. There are 10 questions. Please try out all the 10 questions. You must follow the vertical method to find the LCM. Thank you. Have a nice day.